Guys, November 10th, 2021. This is where I gotta go work on an old Crusty oil boiler. I've been there a couple of times. I think he's got one thermostat running both first and second floor type of thing. It's like a law office type of thing. It's a big crusty old boiler. Old oil tank with an OSV valve. So we're gonna have a wimpy oil flow because of the OSV valve. That kind of really cuts your oil flow back. What that does is you got to pull a good vacuum on that OSV valve for it to open to let the oil through, because the lines in the dirt, concrete, and she's a crusty old beast. I know that, but he calls me all the time. I think he's a judge or something, retired judge or some good guy. We're working for him over the years on a lot of different stuff, but this thing's really crusty. I think it's an old Utica boiler. It might even be leaking. It might even be a leaker. You don't leak 'em, mama. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and change the nozzle on it, see what we're getting for oil flow, and kick the can down the road for this cat. Miss Molly, oh yeah, you love Daddy. You love working with Daddy. I know you do, Miss Molly. Starting to get caught up on some of these jobs I got bidding on some more. If I get them, it's a shit show again. Off to the races, mama. Try to get you some shots. This crusty old beast is not leaking though. Son of a bitch. I think I might have changed the filter last year. This flipping beast. The beast from the east. Don't look like there's any pressure in there. I got a chirper going on here. Where's the feeder? It's stuck. The feeder was stuck. We got a chirper. Oh man, we got a chirper. Probably gotta get some more lights. Flipping. She's a beast. She's a beast from the east, mama. Yeah, last time I replaced main operating control. No burning nozzle, good oil flow. It's a 1 gallon 80 in there. I changed this control last time I was here, I believe. Let's see what we're getting for oil flow, and we'll change the nozzle. 280,000 BTUs. Yeehaw. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I got a chirper here, Mom. Oh man, we got a chirper. We got a chirper. Let's see what this thing looks like. She's a crusty one. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. AFG burner. You can see the AF would go all the way across the fan. I said we got an OSV valve on this job, so you're gonna have a wimpy flow anyway. Yeah, looks clean. Look at that shit. Yeah. Check the burner head. It's nice and clean, that ain't bad. What do we got in there? A gallon 80. She's a chopper. I wonder what that is. I think I told him last time I was here it needed a battery. You think he'd do it? Don't sound like it. This all looks good. Nice and clean. That's fine. Little shit like this, I mean, it's like preventive maintenance, you know, you make sure it's running good and kick the can down the road. This is a big boiler. Fucking flipping monster. It's a flipping monster, mama. She is a flipping monster. We'll check out oil flow, see what we're getting for oil flow. Like I said, it's not going to be a full bore because we got an OSV valve on it, so it's going to be a little wimpier. A little bit. As long as I'm getting something out of it, I'm good with it. We'll run it. We'll check our flow here. You're off on limit. That's a good oil flow right there. I'm good with that. What was that air on it? Put it on purge mode. Yeah, definitely had air in it. You see, that's a good flow. That's good for an OSV valve. Yes, the filters are still dry, I don't need to change them. If I had a filter blocked here or on the other side, my flow would be wimpy. I'm going to open this up and check it. Yeehaw! Running it lean. See, I ain't got no rollout. I'm good here. I got no rollout. I'd burn my hand if it was rolling out. Flipping Crusty old beast. Yeah, pressure's a little better there. See what this thing set at. 180 to high limit. Low limit's way down, like 120. He's not using this for hot water. He's got hot water over there. Look at this, two number 60 tanks off 1/2 inch line. Wow, that's not kosher. I don't like that so much. I'd break that nipple off right there. Oh well. I don't like that. He's a chopper. Oh man, he's a chopper, huh? He's a crusty one, Mr. Winch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Winch. Alright, new nozzle, good oil flow, good draft over fire, freed up feeder, bled oil from pump. Bled air from pump. I don't like this. I don't like that. I should probably have another hanger or something, somehow. So that won't break off. These things ever get full of water. Probably break off right there. I may be able to do something with that. Maybe some strap hanger or something. I like to do that while I'm here. Alright, good oil flow. Good draft over fire. Freed up feeder. Bled air from pump. Added hanger to expansion tanks. I'm going to put this strap hanger here. Tied it good. I didn't have any bolts, but that's the best I could do. I mean, it probably going to help if these things get full of water. And that's the best I could do. Put a hanger there on it. A crusty one. She's a crusty one for sure.